What's it about? Sam Neill's tricked into going back to Dino Island by a DIY salesman looking for his lost son. Who's in it? Sam Neill, Teo Leone, Alessandra Nivola and William H. Macy. Who made it? Universal, Peter Buckman and Joe Johnston. What works? A scary new main villain dino in the form of the Spinosaurus and... I don't know, that's it I guess. What doesn't work?
Alan.
What makes it special? The showdown between Spinosaurus and Rexy, even though Rexy dies! Is it any good? No. Out of 10? Maybe 5 if I'm feeling generous.